This 5-minute solution will show you how to add Hydra bot in Discord from mobile. Adding Hydra bot to your server from mobile is really very easy process. Just follow me to do it. Open your Discord app and make sure to log into your account. Then go to your server and simply type here Hydra bot and search for it. Now tap on hydra.bot, tap on invite, tap on continue, and here you have to tap on authorize and verify that you are not a robot. And now select the server where you want to add the Hydra bot. And the Hydra bot will be added to the server. This is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.